piece. I don't know how the apple got slanted like that. Don't ask. Some random orange that looks like the floating. Bad edits. I edited way better when I was younger. Another bad edit. Oh, okay, there, never mind. Another bad edit, another bad edit. Amazing edit. The most amazing edit you will ever see in your life. You cannot say it's not, because it is. Ooh. Oh, but this is an amazing edit. You're like, oh my god, how do you do it so good and then you do it horrible now? Baby cousin scribbles. Beautiful. Okay, first edit. Well, maybe not first edit. So amazing. So amazing. So amazing. You just can't look at it, you know. You might die if you look at it. More edited things that suck. One of my favorites. Beautiful. Another cute edit. More amazing edits. More things that were edited and that were really badly edited. And that's how the video ended. Just kidding. Old edit. 2018 edit. You suck. Hashtag 2018. I'll just change it to that. 2018 swag. Stuff. And then we go back to where my logo came from. No, but seriously, all we really did was this. And that's how artwork happened. What is this? Oh, that's the end of the video. Bye. Oh my god.